Yeah, gluttons for punishment.
What are kids?
We're working on her car.
Yes.
There's Jason again, Scott,
Still here.
and we're going for 3 for 3. Let's see if we can do it.
Clear?
Fingers toes clear. And it does have fuel. It just started bringing it up.
I can hold that for you.
Okay, then we probably should figure out what else to do with this. Don't go any farther.
It already had it up to the.
Yeah, it's gonna keep dumping down. We gotta actually do something different with that. You have another fuel hose, Scott? Because right now your hand's in the fan.
Another hose to put it.
We just want to put something to go away from here.
You think that'll burn the fuel that's in it?
What does it look like? I doubt it.
Because we had fuel in our L700, sat for like 8 years, and it drank every bit of it.
I'm not surprised. I hate this thing. Yep, it's a bowl. It's always a bowl.
Huh? There, just look at it for a second. I'm gonna hit the key.
Yeah, okay, I got the can. The bottle.
It's the float bowl. It is flat. I don't think you're running it on that fuel.
No, but you saw what I meant.
Pretty
Yes.
dark.
But it started.
I mean, that was pretty easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, really.
So good fuel.
I mean, that was easy.
Yeah.
Where's your easy button?
Oh yeah.
Garage.
Where's the fact?
We're gonna have to go take and do a film that where we all push together. That was easy.
Oh yeah, 3 fingers. That would be
No,
so
wow.
awesome. I'll go get it. That's cool. I like that idea.
Go ahead and stop for a minute.
Go.
Well, that was easy.
There.
That was beautiful. I got a new outro now.
All three of us.
Yeah.
At least for these cars.
I really like working on other people's stuff. Mine costs me money. This has cost me fuel.
Okay, now I can go take the party.